Oh my god, that's like a Wi-Fi signal. Ew. Grot. This will be our last chunk of time here.
Look at that. And a big fat belly.
Okay, anyway, what's happened today? So, I've already had a shower and I felt a little bit anxious. But I feel better for my shower. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat some breakfast. I think I've decided I'm going to scramble. What? Did anyone just see that? Very little. It's actually so late that I've started this. It's like 11:30. And I think today's plan... Oh. We have a glass table and it's just violently loud. Today's plan is, I think, pretty chilled. It's a Saturday, so we're just gonna take it easy, take it sleazy. Go to the beach, obviously. Other than that, I think do a bit of baking, make some banana bread, eat good food. Whoa, that was... Oh my... I got like indigestion. Another sneeze. Another sneeze. Oh. Wait, that could be a thumbnail. I feel like that's the worst of it.
So it's like 280 grams of plain flour, 110 grams of soft butter, it's 225 grams of sugar in, but I don't put that in.
You can always use honey or agave syrup.
The moldier your bananas, the sweeter they are. And then also, because I don't put much sugar in, there's just raisins into them. Yeah, that's okay. 85 ml of coconut milk. That's more or less it. A teaspoon of bicarb soda.
Ingredients and dry ingredients.
Oh yeah, of course. That's why it looks watery. Yeah, no. So you do them separately, and then you fold in all the dry.
Grot. A loaf tin. Awkward about it. I'm now going to be editing some photos that I took yesterday, but I'm using my iPhone to record and my iPhone to edit, so obviously I can't do both.
See you in the next clip.
Okay, we think it's done, so we're going to take it out of the oven. Okay.
It's so good.
Bigger.
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the beach. That's the beach. And now I'm putting on my friend's lovely necklace she made me. Do you look nice? Pretty little ponytail for the baby.
You look so pretty. Yeah, I like the ponytail. Oh, and you've got funky socks.
Drip check. So I like to think I dress cool. Can you spot the boys, Luna? All the way down there. This is so cool. It looks like purple sprouting broccoli or like kale. I feel like I'm on a wildlife channel and we just found this rare kale seaweed ginger. I think Luna might eat it. It's dangerous, but there's only one way to learn. Crikey, mate, look at it. Take that, you nipper. So there's a couple over there having a real notebook moment. I haven't actually seen the notebook, but I think it's romantic, so that's what I'm gesturing. They're staring at me now. Best thing when people stare at you when you're filming, confront them. Yeah, best thing to keep baby. Eventually, they're disinterested. That's the word I was looking for. I just realised you might not even be able to hear me. There's the waves. I look like I'm pooing. Oh my god, that's like a Wi-Fi signal. Ew. You're doing great, sweetie. One amazing thing, well not one, there's so many amazing things, but living in Cornwall is just that I can bring my kid here, even during a lockdown. You can just run free, and I feel very blessed that she has that and we have that. Show them how sandy your hand is. Yeah! That's a sign of a good time. Sandy hand, sandy paw. I say this as she probably thought, no, just kidding. She's so confident and like outgoing and constantly wants to be outdoors. So just being here is like the best decision we've ever made. And we don't know how long we'll be here. It's not our forever home. This will be our last like chunk of time here because our plan is to be somewhere a bit warmer, hopefully. If you live in England, you can't be outdoors 24/7. And we just want to be somewhere like the general lifestyle is outdoorsy. And Cornwall is that, but not come winter. I just want her to experience something more than British culture. I love Britain, but I feel like we could offer her so much more if we're somewhere abroad. Food, the way people are, their traditions, like all of those different things. Just want to see what else is out there. Like I've done a bit of travelling, Jai's done quite a bit of travelling, and we want to show Luna that as soon as we can. And the best time to travel with them is when they're this young. Okay, I feel like I'm speaking loads. I'll check in with you later when we're all done at the beach. Bye-bye. 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 Are you ready to say goodbye to the beach now? Ta, you're welcome. Oh,
I like she.
You're gonna read him a book, honey.
Careful.
Book.
Mama.
Thank you. Hold it. Look, you're my baby. Kisses. Stay still. Got him?
Okay.
Oh, bless him. Go on, Coco. Do it. Oh. What are you reading, Luna? We got Coco on the loo. Bailey's in the making. Some corn chicken to go with the stir fry. Cheers!
Cheers.
Wow, good girl.
Careful.
So, Jai's having a shower. I'm gonna start editing. Just post a video on Instagram. Check it out right here. We're gonna drink our Baileys in bed, maybe watch a Marvel film. I think that's it really. But I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, then give it a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that. Follow me on Instagram, it's all below. And I hope you liked this video. I asked on Instagram what people wanted to see, and literally all of it was just like vlog, day in the life, things like that. And someone even said get ready with me, maybe like a drunk one, which could be funny. Don't really drink at the moment, but it could be funny because I don't. Other than that, I think that's everything. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!